Guten Morgen, meine allerliebsten Freunde. Herzlich willkommen zurück hier auf dem besten Kanal auf YouTube, wenn es um Musik geht. Welcome back, guys, to this wonderful channel all about music. Say hi to this wonderful studio first. The spaceship.
Spaceship.
And maybe someone else in this wonderful room. Dana.
Hi, Dana.
With your glittery eye makeup today.
Oh, glitter.
Can you even see it at home? Yeah, maybe.
Can you see?
Can you see it? So, yeah, we got a lot of messages and requests under the last video, which was one who, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys wrote us, especially on Instagram, maybe a nice reminder to tell you guys that you can follow us, especially me, of course, on Instagram. And that one of the members from Apink did a solo release. Her name is
Kim Namjoo with Bird.
Bird. Yeah. I mean,
Excited.
Let's check it out. The video, the freeze screen looks amazing already. So.
Love the set.
Birds. I hear birds. And the song is called Birds. This is something like a flute, right? Build up. Drop.
Oh.
Maybe it's something like a red filter.
I love the flute.
Yeah.
I'm a bird. Birdie, yeah. I'm a bird. Gonna burn up, I'm gonna burn up. 불을 새겨, 불을 지펴 fire. Gonna burn up, I'm gonna burn up. I'm gonna be free like a bird. 널 떠나 봄물 지도에 진짜 나를 찾아서
Guitar.
그 아무도 모르게 감췄던 내 오랜 꿈으로 벅차게 날아가줘 봐.
Oh, that was nice.
So nice.
I'm a bird.
Is it like a hawk or an eagle?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be free like a bird.
Whoa.
Nice one.
Was it her first solo release?
Next question, please.
Write it in the comments. I mean, that's a typical question for our community.
Yes, it is.
So yeah, pretty nice, right? With this flute sample and everything.
I love the flute sample. The only thing I didn't like about the song was the pre-chorus.
Oh really?
Yeah, because I thought it was like too chaotic, almost hectic for me.
Okay. Both times.
Yes.
던져 너의 마렸던 태양을 보며 너의 모습
Because from the transition from the verse to the pre-chorus,
기다렸던
here, right?
태양을 건네 어두웠던
This
새벽
part is fine.
Yeah, this could be called already as a pre-chorus part or the
Okay.
bridge.
This part is fine.
Yeah.
I like this part.
Yeah, because it's kind of reduced, in comparison to the other parts, and yeah, there's some really nice harmonic synth and everything in the background. I especially love that one sound that comes out in between her vocals that is a little bit higher and plays like a arpeggiated melody. It's a do 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 do, something like this.
Yeah, that's really nice.
기다렸던 태양을 보며
A lot of bird sounds in between, of course.
떨어지려도
Okay, yeah. Maybe.
It's like too hectic and or chaotic.
Yeah, I mean,
don't know.
it gets more. Maybe it's a little bit. Maybe not a typical way to build up a song because it's like already full of instruments and already like almost sounds like a chorus already. But then the chorus is more reduced than this part.
떨어지려도 주저하지 않고 날 던져
It's pretty full.
It is full. I think that's why it seems so chaotic to me, and also because is it the drums or something that's getting like really fast,
Yeah, at the end.
걱정하지 마
But this.
and that's what makes it so hectic for me.
But the drums getting faster right before the drop. I mean, that's something pretty usual that we
I
heard a lot of
know,
times. But
but-
here it doesn't have the same what do I want to say effect like usually, because usually you have not so many pads and synth and everything playing at the same time and in the pre-chorus, and here with all the instruments already being played here and the vocals on top of that, then to have this faster going or faster playing drum
Because 1, 2, 3
could maybe be a little bit. I mean, so for me it's okay.
Just personally for
Yeah,
me.
for me it's okay because we have this more reduced part before this part, and I guess they did this part to really have the contrast. Again, it's more or less always the same story in pop music or mainstream music production. They've built up this part a little bit more, so you have the contrast to the main chorus part, which is more reduced than this part.
하지 마 날아오를 걸 Because 1, 2, 3 I'm a bird
The chorus, I really like
Birdie
it.
birdie야
Bertie.
I'm a bird
Yeah, the chorus is super catchy, and that's because here you only hear the things that are needed.
Yeah.
You really have this super catchy sample, flute sample playing, the 808 bass drum, then the drums themselves, which are 808 drum samples, so more into trap direction.
I'm a bird Gonna burn up I'm gonna burn up
Right, and then you have another part in the hook, this one, where there are more vocals, and a little bit. Also, that's a little build up in the chorus itself. Yeah.
불을 새겨 불을 지펴 fire We're gonna burn up I'm gonna burn up I'm gonna be free like a bird
Yeah, this is pretty nice at the end because You have this cymbal hits from the crash cymbal, I would say, from the drum set, playing with the vocals.
That's so good.
Yeah, and stuff like this makes it super, super catchy because you have something that stands out and undermines the vocals. Super reduced second verse, beginning of the second verse, pretty nice. And again, building up again, so they wanted to reduce it at the beginning of the second verse and then build it up again. And I think it's a nice choice actually in this production. So overall, the production is superb.
Nice.
Yeah, it's awesome. So
also the C part was really nice.
yeah,
right?
the C part was really standing out actually. Because the guitar, I didn't hear the guitar really playing before. Maybe a little in the background, but I wasn't sure. But here you can really hear it, of course, because it's the main instrument. E-guitar, by the way.
Also keys under there?
Yeah, there's another instrument playing, but not a typical piano or something. It's more like a synth. Especially there's a little instrument playing lower frequency notes.
Yeah, right.
Maybe it's something like a bass synthesizer or synthesizer that plays the bass notes. And her vocals themselves, the harmonies are pretty panned up, really wide, really open up. So you don't really need a lot of instruments here because she sings her own harmonies, which could also be played by a piano or something similar, but she's just singing them. So yeah, this one, boom, boom. This is something, maybe those are strings, synthetic strings, but really reduced in frequencies, so you don't have the higher frequencies. And it's playing more in the background, that's why you can't really hear them or point them out. This one, doom, doom, which plays the two chords at the end. I think those are strings, maybe a string ensemble, but pretty reduced frequency-wise. Well, that was a nice sound effect. And her top line, her melody that she's singing, really stands out at the end of this part as well. I think it's interesting that she repeats this melody one time. For me, it sounds like one too many times actually, but that's the interesting part of it.
Yeah.
It's like how many times do you want to sing this part? But this gets it catchy. So.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Wow. I mean, if it's our first solo song or debut song solo.
Pretty good.
Pretty amazing, yeah. They're uploaded on the Apink channel though. Nice. So guys, maybe you noticed that we got some new stuff in our hands. Something like these beautiful cups, and you can buy them as well because we got new merch. Check out our merch stuff channel, website, everything down.
Shop.
In our shop, yeah, that's the right one.
Shop till you drop.
Shop till you drop. And we got a special Black Lives Matter t-shirt as well. Check it out. Everything's down in the description. And yeah, subscribe to this wonderful channel. And see you in the next one. And we're gonna do a thumbnail now.
Thumbnail time.
Gonna do.
Ew. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next one. Follow us on Instagram. And we keep you updated on everything. So
Bye guys.